Rock of Ages. I used to call KGGO the Def Leppard station. I hardly ever listen to the fucking radio. I'm like, I'll check out the bus this time. Listen to a little bit of radio, and well, I turn it on to the bus. After about 20 minutes of fucking commercials, the first fucking song that plays is this. Why? Why? Out of all the motherfucking songs that these cocksuckers have written, can't blame them, Def Leppard, but out of all the songs they've fucking written, why do these radio stations keep playing the same fucking 2 or 3 songs? Why? I ask people, they say, well, it's, you know, it ain't, if it sells, it sells. It ain't gonna change nothing. Bullshit. Listen to the same fucking music for 30 motherfucking years. If 30 years ago we had been listening to the same music for 30 years, think about it. 60-year-old fucking music. Yeah, that would be the equivalent to in the 70s. Everybody on every channel listening to shit from the late 40s, early 50s. No. I'm just saying, man. This shit fucking pisses me off.